Greenhouse gases GGs play a crucial role in climate change by trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming. Carbon dioxide, released mainly from burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, deforestation, and various industrial processes, carbon dioxide is the most significant greenhouse gas emitted by human activities, accounting for approximately 76% of global greenhouse gas emissions in 2019. Fluorinated gases, a group of synthetic gases used in industrial applications, which have a very high GWP, sum up to 23,000 times that of carbon dioxide. These gases are not naturally occurring and are primarily released through industrial processes. Nitrous oxide. This greenhouse gas is emitted from agricultural activities, particularly from fertilizers, as well as from fossil fuel combustion. It has a GWP about 273 times that of carbon dioxide, making it a potent greenhouse gas despite its lower atmospheric concentration. The greenhouse effect occurs when these gases accumulate in the atmosphere, creating an insulating layer that traps heat radiating from the Earth's surface. This process leads to an increase in global temperatures, impacting weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. The current levels of carbon dioxide have risen to about 48% above pre-industrial levels due to human activities, contributing significantly to climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) has indicated that limiting global warming to well below 2°C compared to pre-industrial levels is essential to mitigate severe environmental impacts. Air transport also significantly contributes a lot to greenhouse emissions. Carbon dioxide, released mainly from burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, carbon dioxide is the most significant greenhouse gas emitted by human activities. The evolution of new technologies like artificial intelligence has brought about a new demand for energy, thus fueling greenhouse emissions in some countries. Greenhouse gases GGs contribute to climate change by trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere, a process known as the greenhouse effect. This leads to global warming and disrupts climate systems, leading to floods, hurricanes, and floods. Climate change has brought about dangerous floods in India, USA, and many parts of the world.
Riona, ye now. আর ভাল লাগে উঠতে রিউনা আসবা
Greenhouse gases are depleting the ozone layer every day. We see this in increased droughts around the world. These gases trap heat that would otherwise escape into space, causing rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, sea level rise, and extreme weather events. Climate change is causing dangerous droughts around the world. Dams are drying up, animals are dying, and many communities have been forced off their lands due to climate change. Might fires like the one of Miami or Sydney are a reminder of how serious climate change is today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.